Greetings everyone, and welcome to my Python course. In this video, we are going to talk about lists in Python. Lists are ordered and mutable collection of items. We will learn how to create lists, access elements, modify the list, and use common list methods. Let's start by indexing in lists. Lists are ordered collection of items, and we can use indexing to access elements within a list. Now let's create a list called fruits. Fruits equal apple, banana, let's access index 1 in our list. As we can see, index 1 in our list is banana. We can also print fruits with index -1. Print fruits -1 gives us orange because the last item in our list is orange. Now let's talk about lists packing. What we did by creating a list when we made lists equal to apple, banana, and orange, this is called list packing. List packing refers to creating a list by putting multiple values inside square brackets. Now let's talk about lists unpacking. Lists unpacking involves assigning the values of a list to multiple variables. Let's make an example of list unpacking. As we know, our list of fruits consists of apple, banana, and orange. So for example, fruit 1, fruit 2, and fruit 3 equal to fruits. Now let's access these fruits, so print fruit 1 and fruit 1. Then print fruit 2, fruit 2, and print fruit 3. As we can see in the line of fruit 1, fruit 2, and fruit 3 equal to fruits, in this line the values from the fruit lists are unpacked into variables fruit 1, fruit 2, and fruit 3. Each element of the list is assigned to a separate variable in order from left to right. So fruit 1 gets the value of apple, fruit 2 gets banana, and fruit 3 gets orange. After that, we printed fruit 1. This line prints the value of fruit 1 followed by the text. Since fruit 1 was assigned to the value of apple, this prints apple, and the same with fruit 2 and fruit 3. Now let's talk about lists extended unpacking. We can use the asterisk or the star sign operator for extended unpacking to capture a variable number of elements into a single variable. For example, let's create a list called numbers. Numbers equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then first, star and middle, and last equal numbers. Now let's print first. It gives us 1. And print middle. It gives us 2, 3, and 4. Because we assign the values of 2, 3, and 4 to the middle. And finally, when we print last, we get 5. When we wrote the code of first and then star middle and then last equal numbers, in this line the values from the numbers list are unpacked into variables. The variable first gets the value of the first element, in our case is 1. Middle is assigned a list containing all the values between the first and last elements. In this case, it's 2, 3, and 4. And last gets the value of the last element, which is 5 in our case. Lists are a way to store multiple items in a single variable. They maintain the order of items and are mutable. meaning we can modify them after creation. Remember the word mutable because at the end of this video, we will make an example shows why lists are mutable. Now let's focus on our fruits list. What if we want to add an extra fruit in this list? In this case, the append method is used to add a new element to the end of the fruits list. Fruit.append, and then we add grape. Now print fruits. As we can see, when we use the append method and we added grape, the grape appeared in our fruits list. So now our lists contain all 4 elements. But what if we want to remove a fruit from the list and make it 3 again? In this case, we have to use remove method. It is used to remove a specific element from our list. Let's remove the orange. Fruits.remove orange, and then print fruits. As we can see, the orange has been removed from our list. Now, what if we want to use the len function? What will be the output? Can someone guess? Write me in the comment section. Well, the len function gives us the number of the elements inside our list. Or will it give us the number of the characters in every item in our list? Let's try. Length equal to len and then fruits. Print length. As we can see, we got the number of elements in our list, which is the 3 fruits: apple, banana, and grape. The len function returns the number of elements in the list, and the result is assigned to the variable length. Now let's make an example shows that the lists are mutable. Let's perform that example in the list of numbers. Numbers, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now what if we want to modify the index 2 in the list? Can we change it or no? Let's try to modify the 3rd element. Modify 3rd element. Numbers, and then 2, and then let's say, for example, equal to 10. As we know, index 2 in our list is 3. So now we are trying to convert 3 into 10. And then print numbers. As we can see, we got 1, 2, 10, 4, and 5. So in this case, we can modify the elements in our list. In addition, we can append a new number by using append method. For example, numbers.append, and then let's put 77, for example, and then print numbers. As we can see, we got 1, 2, 10, 4, 5, and 77. Now, what if we want to remove an element from our list? Numbers, remove, and then 77. Print numbers. As we can see, we removed the number 77 by using remove method. We can also use the pop method. Example, numbers.pop, and then, for example, let's remove index 1, which is 2 in our list. So print numbers. As we can see, we also remove the number 2, which is index 1 in our list, by using pop method. In addition to these methods, there are some methods which can we use, like sort and sorted. Sorting allows us to arrange the elements in a list in a specific order, such as ascending or descending. Let's explore how both functions work with a couple of examples. Let's begin by using sort method. Sort method is used to sort elements of a list in a place, meaning it modifies the original lists directly. Let's create a new list called numbers also, and we assign the values into 5, 2, 8, 1, and 6. Now numbers dot sort and numbers. As we can see, the sort method arranged our list in ascending order 1, 2, 5, 6, and 8. We can also customize the sorting order by using the reverse parameter. For example, what if we want to sort our list elements in a descending order? We can also use sorted method. Sorted function returns a new sorted list without modifying the original list. For example, numbers equal also 5, 2, 8, 1, and 6. And then sorted nums equal sorted and then numbers. And then print sorted nums. As we can see, the sorted method also arranged our list items in an ascending order. We can also customize the sorting order by using the reverse parameter. Descending list equal to sorted and then numbers reverse equal to then print descending list. As we can see, when we used sorted method and we add the parameter of reverse equal true, Python reversed the sorting of the list and gives us a descending ordered list. We can also sort our list by adding len function in a key. So for example, let's create a list called words equal to then apple, banana, cherry, and dates. Sorted words, sorted words, and key equal to len. And then print sorted score words. As we can see, Python sorted our list based firstly on the number of characters or letters in every item in our list. So for example, because cherry and banana are the biggest words in our list, Python put them at the end of the list. And because apple and dates contains only 5 letters, Python put them in the first of the list. But why Python started by apple and then put dates, not reversely like dates firstly and then apple? Because apple starts with A letter and dates start with D, and as we know, alphabetically A comes before D. In order to be sure, let's add another word. Let's make it a very big word and then try to sort again. For example, then word equal to and then words dot and on then print sorted words and as we can see, Python printed the long word, and because it is the biggest word in our list, Python put it at the end of the list. So because we can modify our lists by removing items or adding new items, lists in Python are mutable. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If yes, then please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, share the video, and leave your comment under the comment section. Until next time, happy analyzing.